Happy Thanksgiving, Connor. Hi, I'm Owen, and welcome to Cooking with Culinary, KTIG's special cooking show. Today we have chefs Patrick and Jackie from Culinary here to share with us a quick and easy recipe. We will be showing you how to make pumpkin fluff, so stay tuned for today's episode of Cooking with Culinary. Alright, we will be while we make this recipe, we will be playing the blind, deaf, mute game. So Patrick here is going to be deaf, I'm going to be mute, and Jackie's going to be blind.
Ingredients we have today are pumpkin puree, some Cool Whip, some pudding, vanilla pudding. Then we got some marshmallows and some pumpkin and cinnamon spice.
Alright, let's get started, Jackie.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, is this the Cool Whip?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to open that. Where's our bowl?
That's a bowl.
I know, Pat. Okay, Owen, if you want to scoop this into the bowl.
Spatula.
Spatula. Where?
Spatula and bowl.
Yes, we know, Pat. Wait.
Oh.
Okay. I'm guessing it's in the bowl now.
Napkin.
Napkin. Okay, next we're gonna open our pumpkin puree. So where's that at? Pumpkin. Okay.
What?
Pumpkin. We need our can opener. Is this upside down? Okay.
Can opener.
Oh, and is this working?
Good job.
Oh yeah, big brain, you do it. But I can hear your music.
What?
I can hear your music.
What?
Bruh. Okay, the next thing we
good
need
job, Owen.
are Jello. You open.
Open.
Yeah. Owen, how you do? You struggling?
All right. We have our instant vanilla vanilla Jello pudding. Here you go, Jackie.
Has he put in the pumpkin?
Pumpkin's not open.
Okay.
Not yet. It's being open though.
Bro, you just twist.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, what?
I'm scared.
Of what? What's happening?
Owen.
Owen?
What's happening, Owen?
Owen, what are you doing, man?
Owen.
Is he struggling with the pumpkin? Bro, just twist.
Is spatula for pumpkin? Tell Owen.
Yeah. You could use the spatula for pumpkin. The sound.
What?
It sounds funny.
What?
Funny. What about if that's expired?
Yo, the bass on this thing is crazy.
Owen, stir in the pumpkin. Oh, okay. Okay, we're gonna pour in our what's it called, pudding now.
Here. Good job.
Yeah, go team.
Jackie, wait.
What?
Don't wait.
Mix?
Mix. Good.
Is it mixing? Is it mixing?
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm honestly really entranced in the leve right now. All I hear is her voice, and like that's all I want. So,
oh, okay. You keep that
know.
to yourself, man.
Oh, look, it just got turned up.
Is it mixed fully?
Mix.
What? So it's
It's
not?
good. No, good mix.
Good mix?
Good mix. Good mix.
Okay.
Okay, really great. Make sure to stay tuned to see what is next right after this quick break.
Need some help?
Yeah, I don't understand this.
Good job. Keep up the good work.
Wow, thank you. I couldn't do it without you. Hey, thanks for helping me pass.
Yeah, congrats on graduating.
I couldn't have done it without you.
Welcome back. Now that we had a little break, let's finish this recipe.
Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is add in our pumpkin spice. So, pumpkin, is it? Take a, oh, that's strong. You wanna sniff?
Oh.
You wanna
God.
sniff?
I feel like I just fell into a Bath and
bad
Body
Bath
Works
and
during
yeah.
fall.
Okay, tablespoon. Oh, is it teaspoon or tablespoon? Oh, oh, do we have
All I hear is leve.
You jam to leve, little guy. Grab it and scrape.
Make sure it's level.
Level it.
Awesome.
Oh, man.
That's awesome.
Did you? I don't know what's
Were we
happening.
supposed to do a second one?
Yeah, for flavor. Flavor.
What?
Flavor! Now we're gonna get our
What?
marshmallows. Watch me struggle, it's fine.
Oh.
Wait, where's the cup? It's in the bowl, right?
Oh. All right, no, enough marshmallow. No, Jackie. This is
You can't have enough marshmallow.
All right. You want to do what?
What? What's happening?
What? What?
What the? Wait, what?
You want gloves? I'm confused. Back to mixing.
Back. Now we need our plate from on the bottom of the, down there.
Apple.
Apple.
Owen's giving me apple. I think he wants to know what to do with it.
Oh, we gotta cut the apple.
Cutting time?
Where's the knife?
Cut time?
Oh, and can you grab our plate from down there?
Oh.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Half of it is already garnished. And we're gonna get our Cool Whip.
Y'all
Our
wish
Cool
you
Whip.
were me right now listening to
Cool
Leve.
Where's our Cool Whip?
No. I'm going to be cutting this apple.
You cut that apple, man. I'm gonna pour this in here. Do you wanna hold this, Owen?
Apple slice.
More? We put this on top of the pumpkin.
Ooh, Owen made a
where's the
mess.
napkin?
Owen, you messy little guy. What happened?
Owen,
If you were
where's
just
the
listening to Leve
napkin?
like me, this wouldn't have happened.
Where's the napkin?
Ooh, guys, the good part's about to happen.
Bro, this napkin is 16. Bro, is Patrick in his own world?
Hey, now let's try this yummy snack.
Oh, I can
Yes,
do.
sir.
Oh, wow.
Okay, we're good. We're.
Oh,
My shoe is sticking right now. Oh God.
Why would you take me out of Leve
My shoe
land?
is sticking to the floor. All right.
oh.
Y'all ready to try this?
Yep.
All right, let's try it.
Let me see if this expired.
We have so much extra. Oh my gosh. We did not have to make this much. All right.
Get
Get an apple.
Get an apple.
I've been munching over here this whole time.
Gotta get a marshmallow in there.
You get a marshmallow.
Oh, freak.
Oh, that was
Oh,
on
wow.
the shoe.
Oh no.
There we
The marshmallow's attached.
Oh,
go. Cheers. Oh,
Oh.
never mind, y'all.
I mean, it's pretty good.
It's like something that Aunt Betty would bring, you know?
If we had grabbed cinnamon instead of cardamom, it probably would be better.
Honestly, add some
This
of that.
isn't cinnamon. Do not ever mistake cardamom for cinnamon. Are we double dipping? Are we
No.
family like that?
All right.
know
That
you
was
like
really
that.
good. We're gonna take one more quick break.
Hello, Kinda Hot. Are you in the holiday spirit this upcoming season? Well, we got you covered. Let's take a quick trip to the Morehead Stadium, where June 7th to 4th, you can come and watch How the Grinch Stole Christmas. How will you get the tickets, you might ask? Well, you can order them online using the QR code. You can get them at the pitch store starting November 21st. And you can get your ticket on the ticket book day of the movie. But remember, no outside food, but you can bring your blankets. Once you buy your ticket and everything, you can sit with whatever you want with your friends or family, or just your significant other. But I think that's it. We'll see you at the movies.
Well, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the show. Make sure to stay tuned to KTIG's YouTube channel for another episode of Cooking with Culinary coming soon. And remember, anyone can cook, just follow the recipe.